Like sabi niya, alam mo, bago siya mag-podcast. Shout out to you, Thea! I'm so proud of myself that after surviving for 27 years, I'm now on my own safe space. And I'm happy to share it with you all, guys. Na if I can, then you can do it too. So now I'm embracing vulnerability because it's not a weakness, you know. I wish to no longer invite that environment in my life. And I'm so tired of that. Like, pagod na akong magpanggap. I can say that I am on my own safe space. Like, I've craved this for a long period of time because I know hindi lang ako yung may pinagdaanan ng ganong trauma, ganitong childhood. Dearest gentle reader. So, hi guys, it has been my pleasure to be right in front of you. And of course, this is your host for today, Rai Garcia. Yes! I have been wanting for so long to do this, and finally, I accepted my fear and my cringeness because cringe can pay the bills. So, hello, and welcome to episode 1. Finally, ito na yung may succeeding episodes na to kasi sorry, I've been doing a lot of episodes pero hindi siya nasusundan kasi hindi naman kasi talaga ako yun. Like, I'm pretending to be someone else, like someone else's creator's creativity. If nagigets nyo ko na I'm trying to be like this person, like this girl, like this content creator. And I'm so tired of that. Like, pagod na akong magpanggap. And I'm inspired by the Bridgerton series. Like, grabe, ang ganda ng Bridgerton. Ngayon, nasa season 4 na ako and tinatapos ko siya. And grabe, ang ganda ng story ni Sophie. So, today, ang gusto kong pag-usapan is yung life ko, hindi life ni Sophie sa Bridgerton. So, ang tagal ko nung gustong i-open up yung sarili ko sa public. Although, I'm open naman, very open ako sa public. But, alam mo yun, I wanna share my story and I wanna inspire a lot of people because I know hindi lang ako yung may pinagdaanan ng ganong trauma, ganitong childhood. Because, you know what? I didn't enjoy my childhood, you know? And yeah, I grew up in a very chaotic family or household. Every time nagigising ako, I heard shoutings. Alam mo yon, marami akong naririnig na kung ano-anong mga negative words. I grew up in that kind of environment and I grew up not wanting to be in that environment. Like, ang tagal na, bata pa lang, lagi ako nasa labas ng bahay kasi ayoko talagang umuwi sa bahay kasi ang gulo, lagi nag-aaway yung parents ko. Well, not anymore because, yeah, my mom is in another country with my stepfather and my dad is here with us. So this is not to like expose our family's problems, but this is to share what I've learned over the past years as a 26, turning 27 this year, girly. And I know a lot of you are inspired by my story. Kasi last time, like kahapon lang to, I'm with someone and then I shared my story with her and like sabi niya, alam mo, bago siya mag-podcast. Shout out to you, Thea! This is my episode 1. So I hope nakikinig ka sa episode na to. And yeah, today, my episode is all about my life. Yeah, me. So, let me introduce you. My name is Ray Garcia, and I am the 4th out of the 7 children of Teresita and Jose. So, my parents are now separated, but I'm living on my own. So, yung father ko, nandun siya kasama yung mga kapatid ko, and my other parent is in Europe. So, ayun na nga, growing up in a very chaotic family, I wish to no longer invite that environment in my life because I want peace. And now that I'm having peace and now that I have my own space, I want to share what's lingering in my mind throughout these times na alam ko makakatulong not just on myself but to other people. So now I'm embracing vulnerability because it's not a weakness, you know. Hindi siya weakness. It is a strength, a dignity to finally stand on your own and to have that values and beliefs para sa sarili mo na hindi ka na lang basta nai-impluwensyahan ng ibang tao, but you have your own integrity, you have your own dignity, and you have build your own life. Alam mo yon? Because all of my life, I was dreaming to be in a safe environment and to be a safe place. And now, finally, I can say that I am on my own safe space. Like, I've craved this for a long period of time. And now that I have this kind of safety, na build ko sa sarili ko. But, of course, I did not get here in a twinkling of an eye. Like, ang dami ko rin pinagdaanan na. I have a fair share of challenges, of heartbreaks, the heartaches, and even friendships. Yeah, marami din ako mga friends na nilet go na because we are no longer connected to each other. Like, hindi na nagre-resonate or parang hindi na kami, what do you call that? Parang hindi na kami aligned with our values and beliefs. So, yeah. And now I'm happy to be where I am right now, to have my own space. Because growing up, I didn't have such kind of this thing, this stuff. And sobrang proud ko lang sa sarili ko. I want to say that I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. I want to cry. I'm so proud of myself that after surviving for 27 years, I'm now on my own safe space. And I'm happy to share it with you all, guys. Na if I can, then you can do it too. That's why I've started my content creation, the course, because I want people to not just, go with the norm, to just, listen to the people na, ito gawin mo, you should do this and that, because not all of us are the same. We have our own qualities, we have our own unique characteristics and tama ba yung characteristics? Like, character and identities, and we should have lived our lives the way it should be according to our own desire and of course according to the Lord's desire. But for me, I'm so thankful na ngayon nandun na ako sa point na gusto ko talaga 5 years ago, like hindi nga 5 years ago, like when bata pa lang ako, ito na yung nilulong ko, yung peace, the safety and the love na po-provide. But since my parents cannot provide that, so talagang ginapang ko yung sarili ko to be where I am now. And now that I'm providing a safety, security, and love for my own, I want to share it with you guys. I want to share my life because I know a lot of you need it. A lot of you are struggling then, and I know how it feels. I know how it feels to be in a dark place. I know it feels to like crave for safety and for love and security, and you cannot find it. And now that I've finally found it, I want to share it with you guys. So, I think that's it for today kasi ang dami ko nang nasabi. And yeah, hopefully you will continue listening to my podcast. And yeah, very much it. If you have questions and if you have another thing you want to say or you want to ask or you like gusto mo nang mapag-uusapan natin yung story mo, just write me an email and I would love to hear your story as well. Let us talk about that. Let us address it as much as possible. Please know that you are not alone and that I am here. I am Ray Garcia and yeah, I'm so happy. Welcome to Whimsy Reality. I wanted it to be like a whimsy, like sobrang lakas kasi nung imagination ko na I am meant for greater things in life. Like, I don't really want to settle, especially kapag yung trabaho is very compelling siya. Like, for example, I work sa BGC, don't get me wrong, maganda yung sahod ko doon, maganda rin yung position ko, maganda yung trabaho ko, but then, I know I am meant for greater things pa. And I know I'm such a delulu to say this, but I want so much more in this life. And I know God is a merciful and an abundant God. And yeah, we are His sons. So we can ask for more because the world is so big. And this earth, sobrang laki niya, sobrang abundant niya. And if you wish to like continue to expand or parang should I say yung mag-focus, yung focus mo, you should focus on the greater things in life because it can happen. There are so much greater things far ahead in front of you. So I want you guys to know your worth, especially that I'm going to tell my story, even my heartaches and my love stories before. I wanted you guys to learn from this and not experience it anymore because it's very heartbreaking, and I don't want you guys, especially for girls, to go like pagdaanan nyo rin yun. Ayoko na mapagdaanan nyo rin yun. Ang gusto ko is magkaroon kayo ng clarity sa buhay nyo and to finally found yourself, like to find your way back to yourself and eventually come home to yourself. So thank you so much guys for listening and see you on my next episode. I love you all. Mwah. Yeah! Meron na ako episode 1. Thank you. I love you. Mwah.